snob effect. What is the snob effect? Snob effect हो गया, आप कोई चीज इसलिए खरीदते हैं, you are buying a particular good. Why? Because few others have it. Because few others have it. Say for example, you're buying a luxury sports car. A luxury sports car. Why are you buying a luxury sports car? Because everybody cannot buy a luxury sports car. You're buying a Rolls Royce. Rolls Royce gives you that prestige. It gives you that feel that you are something above others. And people cannot buy Rolls Royce, therefore you're buying it. This is the snob effect. Exactly like Lexus. Lexus जो गाड़ी थी हर्षद मेहता की, उसने वो क्यों खरीदी? Because सबके पास Lexus नहीं होती. Likewise, there are some sports cars जो दुनिया में बहुत कम होती है. Likewise, Elon Musk had purchased a car after he sold PayPal. उन्होंने कुछ $1 million की कार खरीदी थी, और वो दुनिया में सिर्फ 16 कार्स थी उस वक्त. Only 16 cars पूरी दुनिया में. Fine. So these are some of the cars, some of the products, some of the goods. You are purchasing these goods. Why? Because few others can purchase it. Fine. They have some prestige value. They have some prestige value. This is the snob effect. Now, snob effect will change your taste and preference. Snob effect will change your taste and preference. Now, say for example, you're preferring or your taste is of a luxury sports car. And somehow that luxury sports car manufacturer decreased the price of that particular luxury sports car. And now everybody is buying that particular luxury sports car. Therefore, your taste will now change and you will not purchase that particular luxury sports car. Demand will decrease. Why has the demand decreased? Because the taste has changed. And why has it changed? Because of the snob effect. You were purchasing that car because few others used to have it. Now, since the price is less, everybody is buying it. Therefore, your taste has now changed. That is the snob effect. Please write down. What is the snob effect? Snob effect refers to the desire to possess a unique commodity having a prestige value. Its utility comes from the fact, utility यानी इससे जो satisfaction मिल रही है आपको, its utility comes from the fact that only few others have it. Okay, so this is your snob effect that changes the tastes and preferences. और taste और preference change होगा, demand curve shift हो जाएगा.